Looking for travel lanterns that charge in the sun and pack up small? This is a simple and fast review of the Xynover Solar Rechargeable Camping Lantern 4-pack. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
Okay, so as we get these out of the box, I'll just show you one real quick. They're all going to be the same. But I do want to show that it came with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. We have ability to hang this or use it as a stand. Different situational capabilities. There's magnets here on the bottom, and then there's another hanger here. So again, if you don't want to hang this way, you can hang this way as well. And it's just really simple and cool. I mean, it literally just can't be much easier than that, right? Just pull it to open, and it's got a great light. Obviously, the top here is going to be solar capable. So we just peel that all off. And it does look like there's a twist to open scenario here. So I'm not sure where that would be. So let me figure that part out. Maybe this is part of it. No, because this is going to bend. So let me do some research on what that is all about, because I'm not really sure. USB-C input right there. I don't know that it acts as an output in any way, shape, or form, but it might. So we can test. And this is the USB-A slot. So we'll go ahead and test out whether or not they charge in this manner or not. It looks like the light is on because I'm not sure why that light's on actually. It's kind of strange. I'm going to read my instructions real quick. All right, so a couple things. This does eventually unscrew at the base here. I'm not sure. There we go. It's just a little bit harder than I assumed at first, and this will be a third option. You can put AA batteries in here and just run it based on batteries, or have them as a backup in the event that you you run out of charge on the first way, which is going to be your solar power, or using this as an input. So just to clarify, and I'm not sure if this will be visible or not, you'll see that it's blinking red when you are charging this. So that does operate as the input, and we'll go ahead and charge it. I'm assuming it's just going to turn green when it's fully charged. And the reason I say that is because if we use this, the output side, this will turn green, or did turn green earlier. Now, I tried to charge a simple device like my earbuds, and that does work. And there's that green light showing that we're doing that. But for some reason, it is not charging my phone. So just a completely different scenario there. So something to consider, that it will kind of input one to the other, but it just it may be limited in what you can do as far as the total charging. So I'll get one of these charged up. I'll test it again on my phone once it's fully charged, because that may be a consideration. And then I'll show you what it looks like outside. We'll test out the magnet and everything like that. All right, so just a quick update. One is, when these things get fully charged, they'll actually just be solid red. They don't turn green. It'll just solidify at red. I'm testing kind of the battery power, and I'll show this outside later, but I've been running this at 2 hours and 46 minutes as a wide open solution for light. I just want to show you the difference, because it has dimmed significantly versus the brand new. So you can see the difference, I'm hoping, but it's still a decent amount of light that comes out of this. Even though it's not fully lit up, it's lit up. So I'll show you this at night. I'll let you know how long this lasts before it goes dead. But I'm going to show you this at night just want you to know that it does dim through time. All right, just a quick update. It's been about 6 hours and the light is still going. It's dimming for sure, but it's still going. But more importantly, I just wanted to show you the capabilities of magnets. So this is obviously just something that you can just stick on a metal place. This is my refrigerator, and just use it to light up a room when it's brighter, and then it just pops right off. So easy peasy. All right, so it's been 8 hours and 43 minutes, and just give you a view of what it looks like. It's not tremendous by any stretch of the imagination 9 hours later, but we will go ahead and compare it. Let me just pop this open to what a brand new one looks like in the dark. And you can kind of see the difference. So there's light, it's just not bright light after 9 hours. That said, this is really great light. Lights up the area really nicely, as you can kind of tell on that side. So definitely worth buying. These things are awesome, especially in a 4-pack. Great for any kind of emergency situation or camping. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.